Welcome to this stunning equestrian ranch here in Poway, California. This property offers luxury, privacy, and the perfect balance of seclusion and convenience, sitting on over 9 acres of land but just 3 miles from town. The contractors just put their tools down. It was taken down to the studs and completely redesigned. This 5,600 square foot home is essentially new construction, featuring high-end finishes throughout. This thoughtfully designed kitchen with top-of-the-line Thermador appliances and tons of hidden features is perfect for your everyday entertaining. With 4 bedrooms plus an optional 5th, which is ideal for a live-in nanny, a ranch hand, or your guests, this home is designed for your everyday use. The spa-inspired bathrooms, expansive living spaces, and resort-style pool create a true sanctuary. Step outside to see your panoramic views. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, exploring your private forest, or taking in a lovely sunset, this home is designed for exceptional outdoor living. For the equestrian enthusiast out there, this property is unmatched. With one of the largest privately owned riding arenas, an 80-foot round pen, and an equicizers, you won't find these facilities anywhere else. And the best part about this property is you got access to miles of trails right out your backyard. This is more than a home. This is a one-of-a-kind equestrian estate designed for your luxurious lifestyle. To schedule your private tour, give me a call today.